So how do you track calories on the iPhone? Let's begin and let's get it started. So if this is your first time on this channel on Foxtecc, become part of the community by subscribing, and that way you are not going to miss anything important. So on the iPhone, we of course have the application which is titled Fitness. So it's like indicated with these three rings, and as you can see in it there, we get to track like different things. Like we can track our calories, exercise minutes, and hours of stand, which are these three rings. So in this place, you get to manage your current burnt calories for the day on the iPhone. The important part is that the only reason why it functions and works properly is because I also have an Apple Watch which I wear on my wrist. And the Apple Watch tracks the activity, the heart rate, and all of the other things which are based on that, it's determined how many calories are burned, right? So you can track it on the iPhone in here in the fitness app, right? So you can see all of the graphs and all of that, but it kind of has to get measured with the Apple Watch. So if you do not happen to have an Apple Watch, you can still use this application and kind of see the some of the options, some of the calories in here. You're not going to be able to see the all three rings. You're going to have it a little bit more limited, but I guess it will also show you some important information. So in every case, check out the fitness app on your iPhone, but it's going to show you like different things based on whether or not you also use the Apple Watch with it. So I just quickly wanted to explain that to you. Let me know what you think below. Most definitely subscribe for more explanations and tutorials like this one, and I'll see you later.